If hundreds of suns were to arise, if hundreds of suns were to arise and 84 moons were to surprise, Billah without the Billah's face, darkness there would be without rays trace. Sasi sajan ubhre 84 chandran, Sasi sajan ubhre 84 chandran, Billah reappearing sabunda hi bhaya. Now the time of his speech, so I would like to call Mr. Samila Channa. Have a big clapping.
In the name of Allah, who is omnipresent and omnipotent, honorable guest, respectable my teacher, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today on that beautiful time, I have taken a chance to talk, so my topic is Surasa. So I start my speech with this poetry. Tan tasbih man badyo, dil taburo jan. Tan tasbih man badyo, dil taburo jan. Tan dute talabaju, wadat sirvajan, wadahu la sharika lahu, wadahu la sharika lahu. Ragun says Sutai Suvan Nidre Badata Janji. Respect, sir. Surasa means the melody of hope in this latif right and beauty and greenery of the nature and Almighty Allah. Says, oh beloved, and then says, oh beloved, and then shut my eyes. Myself. Akhil mein thi ve the anware dhakya. Akhil mein thi ve the anware dhakya. To ke disi na de aum pasan ki byo. You all the best because we are different.